National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Coos County in northern New Hampshire, northeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, north central Carroll County in northern New Hampshire until 10 p.m. At 9:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Bethlehem to near Littleton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail-damaged vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Littleton, Lancaster, Bethlehem, Lincoln, Everettville, Franconia, Woodstock, Pinkham Notch, Mount Washington, Carroll, Bartlett, Lisbon, Jefferson, Bath, Dalton, Jackson, Benton, Chatham, Easton, and Whitefield. This includes Interstate 93 between mile markers 99 and 131. This also includes Crawford Notch State Park, Franconia Notch, Mount Lucia Rock, Cannon Mountain, and North Twin Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Carroll, Coos, and Grafton.